welcome to today's video, where today we're installing the GFB TEEV9430 blow-off valve for the Mark 7 1.4-litre TSI engines. As the 1.4-litre TSI engine doesn't actually come with a blow-off valve, so installing this will sort of aid in performance, and in case if I want to do a tune, I can do a stage 2 tune with this blow-off valve. So with that, let's get to what this blow-off valve comes with, and then the installation process and what I found out along the installation process, along with the sound quality in terms of the sound.
For support, it works for Volkswagen's EA211 1.4-litre TSI engines. You may check also whether your Audi or Skoda use the same engine, as they're all around the same family. The kit provides you with instructional manuals, of course, vacuum tee with plugs, GFB stickers, and the blow-off valve itself, along with a hose to connect the vacuum from the throttle body to the blow-off valve. Just need to tap into the vacuum of my intake manifold, and then after that, from there, run a hose to here, remove the stock charge pipe, and then transfer over some O-rings, and it should be fine. So I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride today. First part of it is gonna be removing the charge pipe. Alright, that's the charge pipe out. The thing about this is that I don't have a boost gauge in this car, so I will need to use this fitting here to plug it. And I need an Allen key to do that, but first I need to put some Teflon tape on the fittings, on the tee. As long as the grooves are sealed, so the grooves are completely sealed now. And according to the instructional manuals, I need to attach this clip to this bigger end here. Oh damn, the angle to get to it's really tough. After multiple attempts, I decided to remove the throttle body, as that would just clear a bit more space just to gain access to the connection point for the vacuum. You also don't want to drop anything to the bottom of the engine bay, as if you say you do kinda need to jack up the whole car and remove the under tray. So that was a real stress factor. Now it's time to finish off the last part, which is transferring the little O-ring here to the blow-off valve, take off that piece, stick everything back together, and hear some wonderful sounds. Yes. Alright, so the install is finished. Did some really tidy, tiny cable management work, so now it's time to let the engine warm up a bit, then see how the blow-off valve sounds. Yeah. Hopefully no check engine light. Alright, let's take a look. Put on the brake. Alright, no lights, everything is fine. I'm gonna let it warm up for a while as I keep the huge mess I've made over here. And yes, that's the part that we have replaced. So I have to let the engine warm up. Everything sounds to be quite alright. And honestly, this mod isn't too hard to do, and also it's quite worth it, I would say. For $320 where I bought it within Singapore from a local seller, that's actually quite cheap.
In the end, I say if you guys are looking for a mod that's simple to do on your Golf Mark 7 TSI using the 1.4-litre engine, I'll say this is quite a decent mod. It does add to that little bit more sound when you drive, not really in terms of popping and banging from your exhaust, but just something DIY you can do. So if you guys enjoyed this video and like the car related content I'm doing, do drop a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.